Hey everyone, welcome back to Fernando's AI Color World. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. Millions of people around the world depend on data entry jobs for their daily survival. But today, a new question is silently haunting them. Will artificial intelligence wipe out data entry jobs completely? If AI can read documents? If AI can extract data automatically? If AI can verify and update records faster than humans? Then where does that leave the data entry workforce? In this video, I'm not here to scare you. I'm not here to blindly support AI either. I'm here to tell you the truth, clearly, honestly, and practically about the people behind those keyboards. What are data entry jobs really? Data entry jobs are not just typing numbers into a computer. They include inputting information from documents, updating customer or business records, verifying accuracy of data, maintaining databases, converting handwritten or scanned data into digital form. For decades, these jobs were considered safe, stable, and essential. Globally, millions rely on these jobs, often as entry-level positions paying around $30,000 to $45,000 a year in the US. But here is the uncomfortable reality. Most data entry work is repetitive, rule-based, and predictable. And that is exactly what AI is best at. Can AI do data entry? Yes and no. Let's be very clear, AI can already do a large part of data entry. AI today can read scanned documents using OCR, extract data from invoices, forms, and PDFs, autofill databases, detect duplicates and errors, work 24/7 without fatigue. In terms of speed, volume, and cost, AI beats humans. But AI still has limitations. AI struggles with poor quality or handwritten documents, context-based judgment, understanding business intent, handling exceptions and unusual cases, accountability when errors occur. So no, AI cannot fully replace humans yet, but it can drastically reduce the number of people needed. Are data entry jobs going to be eliminated completely? This is the most important question. A recent analysis shows that AI is reshaping entry-level roles, with a 13% decline in hiring for AI-exposed fields since 2022, especially for young workers aged 22-25. Experts predict that by 2030, up to 75% of roles could face some automation, including repetitive data processing and basic bookkeeping. In India and other emerging markets, low-skilled service jobs like data entry are on the verge of extinction, with customer interactions shifting to bots from 15% in 2024 to 85% in 2025. Entry-level postings in the US have dropped 35% since 2023, with AI playing a big part. Companies are not emotional. They choose speed, accuracy, and cost efficiency. What will disappear first? Basic typing jobs, copy-paste roles, high-volume manual entry work. What will remain? Data validation, exception handling, quality control, AI-assisted data roles. So the jobs are not disappearing overnight, they are being redefined. Can AI ensure business data is 100% correct? Here is a truth nobody likes to admit. AI is only as good as the data it is trained on, the rules given to it, the humans supervising it. Wrong input still produces wrong output, faster. Businesses cannot blindly trust AI for critical decisions. Financial data, medical records, legal documents, customer-sensitive information. That's why human oversight is still essential. But one human can now supervise the work of 10 or even 20 AI systems. This is where the job loss fear becomes real. AI isn't the villain or the savior. Whether you like it or not, it's a tool reshaping our world, much like the internet or cars did before. Yes, many data entry jobs will evolve or shrink, but this opens doors to more fulfilling work. What should data entry professionals do now? If you are in data entry, this is your wake-up call, not your death sentence. Best transition paths: data quality analyst, AI-assisted data operator, business support executive, CRM, ERP assistant, document control specialist skills to start learning now. basic Excel plus advanced formulas, data validation and auditing, CRM tools, Salesforce, Zoho, SAP, understanding AI tools, not building them, process documentation and reporting. The future belongs to people who can work with AI, not compete against it. AI will not ask permission before transforming jobs. It will move forward, silently and efficiently. But history has shown one thing clearly. Technology never destroys work. It destroys old roles. The question is not, will AI take data entry jobs? The real question is, will we adapt in time? Please subscribe to receive the latest AI news and updates. Now let me tell you something important. This video you are watching right now was created using HeyGen. No camera, no studio, no lighting, no editing skills, no Photoshop. HeyGen's AI video agent takes a simple idea or text and turns it into a complete professional video. Think about your current workflow: writing scripts, filming, editing, managing tools or people. HeyGen collapses all of that into one single step. YouTube hooks, done. Social media clips, done. Explainer videos, done. If video production speed was your advantage, that advantage just disappeared. And if you avoided video because it felt complicated, that barrier just vanished. The creators and businesses who move first will build audiences faster than ever before. Click the link below and start free with HeyGen.